Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your buddy ID using the Drip website. But before I do that, I wanted to introduce you to my new Telegram channel, and I've got it here. It's Making Money with Michael right here, and I will put the link down below for you. And if you join my Telegram community, yes, I apologize. I'm behind the times, and it's taken me about 8 months to get a Telegram channel up, but we are active, our 6 members, and we would love to have you join our Telegram group if you have joined my Drip team. If you haven't joined my Drip team yet, I will go over the steps to do so today as I show you how to change your buddy ID, the one that you use to connect and create a Drip account. So I've got the Drip website open up here. I'm going to come up here, click Connect Wallet, and then I'm going to choose Wallet Connect because I have the wallet on my phone, MetaMask. And once it's connected, we can come up here to the Faucet tab. Now, the unfortunate thing about the current Drip UI or user interface is that if you come down here on the Faucet page and you say get a buddy, well, there's no actual way to update this address. So I've had a lot of people reach out saying, Michael, we want to join your team, but we currently signed up with somebody else and they are unresponsive, they don't make videos, they are not helpful, I want to change and become a part of your team. Well, unfortunately, you cannot keep your current account and then change the buddy ID. So what you have to do is actually create a new account, and the unfortunate thing is, let's say you've got like this number of deposits, you can't move this money to your new wallet. It's essentially you have to create a new wallet from scratch, deposit more Drip tokens in there, and that is the only way that you can come down here and add a new buddy ID right here. So unfortunately, there's no easy way, but I feel like I remember seeing some type of video or AMA with Forex Shark who said that he would make it easier to do that in the future. Maybe I'm wrong, but for the time being, there is no possible way to update your buddy ID if you've already joined Drip, and that is unfortunate. I apologize that there's no other way that I know of to do that. But if you are getting started with Drip today and you want to deposit some tokens today, you can join my team. My buddy ID is down below in the YouTube description, and that is how you get started. I've got all the tutorials you need down below. Feel free to ask questions there or to head over to the Telegram channel, Making Money with Michael, and post your comment in here. We are trying to be as helpful as possible. I know that I should have done this months ago, and I apologize for that, but we've got a channel up and running, and Emmett is very, very good at answering questions. So if I'm not available to answer those questions, he will be here for you guys. And yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. I apologize again that there's no easy way to change your buddy once you've set it in the Drip system. But if you do want to join my team today, all the information is down below in the YouTube description. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.